Hey guys, now we're going to pull the jug off of this cylinder here. She's cooked. So you gotta take this bracket, 2 lower bolts there, 2 lower bolts here, 1 bolt here. I'm gonna try to get away with that. And then your 2 outers and 2 inners here. So we'll get going on that, pull her apart, and have a good look at the cylinder. Okay guys, well I figured out this is not a fun thing to do. It's a lot of work. I had to disconnect the exhaust here, disconnect the hose clamp down there, disconnect the mount here, disconnect these mounts, a couple hoses here and there. Wasn't fun, but we're gonna get the exhaust off now, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I got the exhaust out of the way. I'm gonna pull off this cylinder first. Probably be the last one for the night. Oh, I'm trying to get you guys lined up better there. Yeah, he has some good scoring in there. Nice deep gouge in there. Well, we'll see how the next one looks when we get her taken off there. Well guys, I'd say that piston's seen better days. She's cooked through and through. Cylinder doesn't look much better either. Probably order a new one, throw her on top. Anyways, I'll pull the other 2 cylinders off tomorrow, see how they're looking. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, we got all the cylinders off here now. It's getting pretty late, so I'm gonna shut her down. I'm really tired now. Yeah, all pulled apart. They're not too bad, but we're gonna pull them and put brand new in, all new gaskets, and when they get here, we'll start filming that. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.